What's up, guys? My name is Alec Watts, the creator of Electric Dev Tools. Today I'm going to walk you through all of our APIs and then we'll implement a Node.js demo. First up, we have a solution that allows you to perform ffmpeg commands on objects in your S3 bucket with a simple API call. Next up, we have an instant and dynamic zip download API that allows you to provide an easy download experience for your client without having to create, store, or manage zip files. To get started, I have a boilerplate node project set up. Let's go back to the site, follow the link to our npm page. We'll copy the install command for our package and run it in the node environment. First up, let's use the ffmpeg API. Let's head over to the npm tag and copy the code. We'll create an ffmpeg.ts file and paste the code inside of it. Now that we have our code ready, we need a video in an S3 bucket that this ffmpeg command will be performed on. I've set up a demo dev tool bucket, and here I have a video that we'll use. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the key as the input for the ffmpeg command. Let's change this command to make a 20-second clip 40 seconds into the video. So we're going to output just a 20-second clip of the original video. All right, cool. Starting at 40 seconds, lasting 20 seconds. We'll call this clip 1. We don't need to pass any webhooks, and let's do this first one asynchronously and log the job, and then we'll follow the progress in the dashboard. The last thing we need is a valid API key. To get that, go back to our site, log in or create an account, and you get to the dashboard where you can create an API key. Another key part is that you need to pass AWS credentials to our service so that our servers that are running the ffmpeg command can download and upload files. Make sure to limit the scope of the AWS credentials to only the buckets or part of the bucket where you're uploading and downloading. Let's go ahead and run it. As you can see, it's returned a whole bunch of information about the job, including a link to our dashboard where you can follow along with the progress of the job. So this will update as it goes. As you can see, it executed very quickly. So we have our inputs and then we have our output. This links to my bucket. We should have a 20-second clip here, which we do. For the next part of the demo, we'll need one more video clip. This one will start at 20 seconds and be 10 seconds long. Cool, let's make this one synchronous. Now the await won't return until the full operation is complete. So it'll take longer, but it's just going synchronously. All right, cool. So we can follow the link and see that this one is done as well. We can check out this clip and it should be 10 seconds long, right? All right, great. So now we have 2 video clips sitting in the test2 folder. Now let's test out this dynamic zip API as well. To do so, head back to the site, head back home, and go to the zipper page. At the top, there's another demo that you can mess around with. Then we have the example code in the middle. We'll copy this code, and I'm going to put it into a zipper.ts file. We need to pass an array of files that we want to be zipped. Now, these files can either be available on a public URL, a pre-signed URL, or we can use the S3 URL as long as the AWS credentials have access to that bucket. We'll go ahead and copy the URLs from these clips. Boom. That'll be one file. That'll be in the zip. And then we can paste the same and call this clip 2. And then we'll put this at clip 1 MP4. This one will be in a folder, and this one will just be in the base path. Let's run npx tsx zipper.ts. So instantly we have a download link. We'll follow that link and you see it's downloading. We'll follow that link and you'll see that clip 2 is in the base path, and within the folder we had clip 1. You can dynamically state how you want the structure of the resulting zip to look and pass as many files as you want. All right, great. Thanks for following along today. Let me know if there's any other tools you want me to work on or any problems you have with the current tools. Thank you so much. It's been a lot of fun developing tools, adding functionality that I was surprised not to see in the development world already. Thank you.